Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is episode 4 of Project B15 and today we'll be doing a complete rust repair on this car. As you already know, there was a lot of rust near the dashboard and the front and rear windshield frame, so rust repair became a priority. I wanted to do this repairs on my own, but due to the lockdown situation and no one willing to rent me a MIG setup, I had to give this to a local bodywork shop for welding repairs. Here are some of the snaps of how bad the rust was and how the locals carry out welding. While I was removing the aircon setup, this tab broke off from the heater core casing, so I cleaned it and took it to a roadside plastic welder for a ghetto repair. He also melted a plastic washer to further reinforce the tab, and this is how the final repair looks like. This is how the windshield frame looks like after the welding was done, and there was some surface rust developed near the welds, but this was taken care of. All the surface rust was then grinded out, and this is wet sanding of the body after applying Bondo. And this is how it looks after everything was done. This will be finished off when we'll be painting the car. Here onwards, I cleaned up the filthy interior and all the minor surface rust present inside, and it was time to use the spinny ball. I made sure there wasn't a single spot of rust left inside the car, and as you can see, I enjoyed using the grinder a little too much. And that's it for today's video. In the next episode, you will see me painting the whole interior and installing some of the components back into the car. Also, don't forget to check out our automotive face mask available at a special discount for a limited time. Link is in the description.